Forget about chia seeds, the only natural remedy for heart and joint health in older adults. They can be found in every supermarket aisle, influencers' morning wellness video, and online superfood guide. You see people boasting that they are the key to losing belly fat and being youthful forever, adding them to smoothie bowls and stirring them into water. The thing that nobody really discusses, though, is this. Chia seeds are consumed daily by thousands of people, although their effects are negligible. The fat around the belly remains. The scale remains stationary. There's never any energy boost. The reason isn't that chia seeds are a fraud. They do include some amazing minerals, fiber, and omega-3s. However, what if I told you that they are lacking something vital? Something that your body genuinely requires to sustain your joints and heart as you age? According to recent studies, seniors who wish to safeguard their hearts walk without joint pain and ultimately regain their strength and lightness can do so much more effectively with a straightforward natural combination. Furthermore, most people are unaware that it even exists. Let's discuss what that pair is and why it could be the actual key your body has been lacking. 1. Flaxseed. You might be surprised to learn that researchers have discovered something even more potent than chia seeds. A totally distinct two-seed combo that simultaneously promotes heart and joint health and targets stubborn abdominal fat, not only by making you feel fuller, but also by enhancing the way your body burns fat, regulates inflammation, and balances hormones. Through meticulously planned clinical experiments, these two seeds have been investigated in several nations, and the findings are, to be honest, difficult to dismiss. This combo resulted in more than just slight weight loss for those who tried it. On average, their waistlines shrank by about a full centimeter, and much more significant changes occurred for many. Inflammation decreased, metabolism became more effective, blood sugar levels improved, and cholesterol levels started to rise. However, hardly anyone is discussing it. The wellness industry continues to hype up chia seeds, powders, and detox beverages, while silently ignoring this natural pair that has been there for a long time and is supported by reliable scientific data. Take a moment to confirm that you are a member of this group before I explain these two potent seeds and how to apply them effectively. What you are going to discover has the potential to genuinely transform your daily mood. Let's now discuss flax seeds, the first of this potent pair of seeds. The fact is that you've probably heard about them in smoothie recipes or seen them in health food aisles. The majority of people utilize them entirely incorrectly. They never get any tangible results as a result. When researchers examined 45 distinct clinical studies including thousands of participants from various backgrounds, age ranges, and nations in 2017, the true breakthrough occurred. There was more than one little experiment here. Decades of research were compiled into a single extensive analysis. The objective was straightforward: to determine whether flax seeds can truly aid in fat reduction and weight loss. And the response was unmistakably yes. Researchers verified that using flaxseed supplements resulted in actual, quantifiable weight loss after analyzing all the data. It was neither a placebo effect nor a fluke. In addition to losing weight, participants experienced significant decreases in their body mass index, indicating that fat was being burned rather than just water weight going away. Better yet, their waist circumference shrank considerably, indicating a drop in visceral fat, the harmful type that envelops your organs and contributes to inflammation, insulin resistance, and heart disease. How precisely are flax seeds accomplishing this then? Their inherent chemistry is what determines everything. More soluble fiber can be found in flax seeds than in chia seeds. This fiber slows down digestion and keeps you feeling full for hours by absorbing water and forming a soft gel inside your stomach. Therefore, you don't have to starve yourself or use willpower to eat less during the day. That's not all, though. One of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, particularly alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, is flax seeds. One of the hidden reasons of weight gain, exhaustion, and even painful joints is inflammation, which these good fats help reduce. Your metabolism may finally function as it should by lowering that internal inflammation. Then flax seeds have a really unique quality. Ligands are organic plant substances that help women maintain a healthy hormone balance, particularly throughout the menopause and premenopause. Ligands can improve the body's ability to metabolize estrogen. The body tends to accumulate more fat around the belly when estrogen levels are out of balance. Flax seeds address one of the main causes of belly fat's recalcitrance by reestablishing equilibrium. Regular usage of flax seeds has also been shown to enhance HDL, the good cholesterol, lower LDL, the bad cholesterol, lower blood inflammatory markers, and even promote hormonal health in women with PCOS. It's comparable to a full metabolic overhaul with a product you can get at any supermarket. Here's the catch, though. The majority of individuals do not properly use flax seeds. You are essentially wasting whole flax seeds if you sprinkle them on food. They go through your body unharmed since your digestive system is unable to penetrate the tough outer shell. Ground flax seeds are required. All of the nutrients are unlocked there. Although you may purchase them already ground, using a coffee grinder at home to grind them fresh is the most effective method. After grinding, keep them in the refrigerator in an airtight container. If flax is exposed to heat or air for an extended period of time, its delicate oils may turn rancid. Their potent omega-3s are protected when kept cold. Let's now discuss how to use them to achieve real outcomes. Research indicates that 30 g daily, or roughly 2 tablespoons of ground flax seeds, is the sweet spot. 1 tablespoon in the morning and another later in the day can be combined. Add it to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, and even soups. It goes well with practically anything and has a mellow, slightly nutty flavor. To give your body time to get used to the additional fiber, start with 1 tablespoon daily for the first week. Additionally, sip on lots of water. That's crucial. Flax's soluble fiber absorbs water to create that beneficial gel that clears your gut and slows digestion. You may feel bloated if you don't drink enough water, but drinking enough water will actually help your digestion and make you feel lighter and more at ease. You can even use your imagination. For a mild detox beverage that helps your liver, combine flax seeds with warm water and a little lemon juice, or use them in baking as a natural alternative to eggs. Simply combine 3 tablespoons water with 1 tablespoon ground flax and let for a few minutes. It adds fiber and healthy fats to pancakes and muffins and thickens them beautifully. The most crucial factor is constancy. There's no reason to complicate it. Take 2 tablespoons daily. That's all it takes to begin seeing noticeable changes in the way your body functions and feels. The results speak for themselves. Even though flax seeds don't have the same trendy reputation as chia seeds, they support your heart and joints, help you reset your metabolism, and give you more energy from the inside out. The true metamorphosis occurs when flax seeds are combined with the second seed in this natural pair. Because when you combine them, you'll feel years younger, protect your heart, and reduce inflammation in addition to helping you control your weight. Fenugreek is number 2. Fenugreek is the second seed in this potent combination. Few people are aware of its true power, even if you may have seen it in herbal teas or traditional medicines. Ayurvedic medicine has been using fenugreek for thousands of years, and current study is confirming what the ancient doctors already knew. It enhances digestion, balances blood sugar, and naturally controls hormones. According to clinical research, fenugreek can significantly improve blood sugar instability and abdominal obesity. It helps your body use insulin more effectively, allowing glucose to be burned for energy rather than being stored as fat. The deep layers of belly fat begin to reduce as insulin becomes more effective. The blood sugar increases that occur after meals and cause appetite and fat storage are also lessened by fenugreek. It's similar to gradually switching your metabolism from store to burn mode. Fenugreek is unique because it contains a soluble fiber called galactomannan. It creates a thick gel in your stomach when it combines with water, which slows down digestion and stabilizes the release of blood sugar. This prolongs feelings of fullness, avoids cravings, and supports your body's ability to produce steady, peaceful energy. It's a straightforward but effective system that promotes long-term heart health and weight control. It is also easier to eat less without feeling deprived, because fenugreek naturally suppresses appetite and regulates desires, according to studies. Diets alone frequently don't work for persons with insulin resistance or hormonal problems, but fenugreek does. Following regular fenugreek use, women with PCOS, a disorder associated with hormone imbalance, experienced improvements in metabolism and fat loss. Let's face it, fenugreek doesn't taste particularly good. At first, its bitter maple-like flavor may be unexpected, but it becomes manageable once you know how it functions within your body. Taste is not the reason you consume it. You're utilizing it as a natural remedy to restore your hormone balance and metabolism. Here's how to make good use of it. Take 1 spoonful of ground flax seeds in the morning. Make a smoothie with it. Stir it into oatmeal or mix it with yogurt. This keeps you full, speeds up digestion, and provides your body with the fiber and omega-3 fatty acids it needs to combat inflammation all day long. Then use fenugreek before dinner in the evening. Soak a teaspoon or more of seeds in water for 10 to 12 hours. About 20 to 30 minutes before supper the next day, chew the softened seeds and take a tiny sip of the water. This enables the fiber to naturally stabilize blood sugar and regulate appetite by expanding in your stomach and beginning to operate before your meal. You can use a high-quality fenugreek supplement, which has 500-1,000 milligrams per serving if you can't stand the taste. For the same effect, simply take it before dinner. Combining fenugreek at night and flax in the morning creates a 24-hour metabolic support system. Throughout the day, flax helps to regulate hunger, lower inflammation, and maintain a smooth digestive system. In order for your body to burn fat while you sleep, fenugreek takes over at night to balance blood sugar and insulin. You'll eventually discover that your body is finally working with you rather than against you, making you feel lighter, more energized, and less bloated. This straightforward mixture isn't a fad detox or magic drug. It's a mild rhythm supported by research that promotes internal healing. Evening fenugreek, morning flax. Together, they are the only natural combination for heart and joint health in seniors, restoring your strength, mobility, and self-assurance with just one simple daily routine. There you have it then. A potent seed combination supported by science that functions differently than chia seeds. Please understand that chia seeds are not at all harmful. They're in good health. With their high fiber and omega-3 content, they are deserving of a place in your kitchen. The flaxseed and fenugreek combination, however, is what your body has been waiting for if you've been consuming them for months and haven't noticed the desired effects. Or if you want a more thorough and comprehensive strategy for controlling belly fat and promoting heart and joint health. This has nothing to do with following another health fad. It all comes down to providing your body with simple, natural nutrients that are effective. For a minimum of 4 to 6 weeks, try this combo regularly. Observe how your energy levels, hunger, and desires change over time. Sometimes the scale doesn't tell the full story, but your body does, so measure your waist before you begin and again a month later. Additionally, keep in mind that consistency is crucial. Despite their modest appearance, these everyday routines gradually improve your energy, metabolism, and even your mood. No matter your age, you deserve to feel light, strong, and self-assured once more. Please type yes in the comments section below if this video was helpful or given you something fresh to consider. That one word inspires us to continue producing useful science-based videos like this one, and lets me know you are concerned about your health. Give this to a friend, parent, loved one, or someone who could benefit from some natural joint and heart help. Finally, subscribe now and watch the next video if you want more frank, scientifically supported advice on how to live longer and feel better every day. Please click the like button if you thought this video was useful. The channel benefits greatly from it. In order to ensure that you never miss any more videos, remember to subscribe and activate the notification bell. Please leave a comment below with your comments. I'd love to know what you think. I appreciate you seeing, and I'll see you in the next